Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how I cook high mountain cutthroat. First, we got to go catch the fish. Once you caught him and gutted him, then you get some tin foil out. Set this one here. Butter. This is like flour, breadcrumbs, lawrys, and pepper, and some cajun seasoning. And that's all just to taste. So surprisingly, we're not smoking the fish today. Just gonna take a little pat of butter and rub it on the fish's scales. See that? Well, against the grain. It's catching in the scales. And I'm gonna take the rest of this butter and just stick it inside. And evenly coat each side breadcrumbs. With the mixture that I'm making. So now we have a breaded, coated cutthroat to wrap up. By the way, those of you that don't know, in Montana, you can keep 5 cutthroats from mountain lakes in this region. So for those of you who think I'm doing something illegal, check the regulations before you open your mouth. Wrap him up. Voila. You set him nice in this nice bed of coals there. I'll cook him for about 20 minutes like that.
2,000 years later.
You can see I've got him in a nice bed of hot coals there. I think it's time to pull these guys out. Go. Here's cool. See that nice pink flesh? A little bit. Steal a little bit. See that? That is the freshest meal you'll find in the backcountry. Cheers. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Ta-ta.